everyone, welcome back to our ELBS ERP training series. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create a receipt voucher in ELBS ERP step by step. So let's begin. First, log into your ELBS ERP system using your username and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the main menu and click on GL, which stands for General Ledger. Now pay attention here. Inside the GL section, you will see multiple accounting options. From these options, select Receipt Voucher. The system will now redirect you to the Receipt Voucher window. To generate a new voucher, click on Create New Voucher. Now, the first thing you need to do is select your branch. After selecting the branch, move to the Received From section. Here, enter the narration of the transaction. For example, if you are receiving money as a loan, simply write Loan from Director. Be clear and accurate with your narration, because this will reflect in your reports. Next, select the mode of payment. For this example, we will choose cash. If the payment is through bank or check, you can select the relevant option accordingly. If there are any bank charges, enter them in the bank charges field. And if the payment is made through check, enter the check number in the check section provided. Now look at the right-hand side. You will see the receipt number, which is generated automatically by the system. At the top of the window, you can also view the next possible receipt number for reference. Now check the date section. If necessary, edit the posting date according to your transaction date. Next, move to the left side under Account Code. Here, select the relevant ledger account. For example, choose Loan from Director. Then, enter the amount received. Before saving, quickly review all the details. Accuracy is very important in accounting entries. Once everything is correct, click on Save, and then click OK to confirm. The system will now redirect you to the Receipt Voucher listing page. From the top, click on Refresh. You will now see your newly created voucher at the end of the list. To preview the voucher, select your entry and click on Preview. You will see two available formats, full page and half page. Choose the format according to your company policy. For this demonstration, let's select full page and click on Print. Your receipt voucher is now ready. Simply select your printer and print the document. After printing, click Close to exit the window. And that's it. This is how you create a receipt voucher in ELBS ERP, quickly, accurately, and professionally. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more ELBS ERP training tutorials. See you in the next session.